Welcome to We Did Your Homework, guys. Today we're here at the famous Roxy's, and today I'm going to introduce four brothers.
Sean bienvenidos, el show está por comenzar. Estamos listos para este viaje sideral. Sideral. Estamos juntos, reunidos en este lugar. Abre los ojos, un viaje está por comenzar.
Hola, yo soy Carlos. Yo soy Immer. Mi nombre es Giorgio. Y yo soy Lazzaro. Nosotros somos Los Bambinos.
Nosotros realmente llevamos la música desde el principio, desde que éramos niños. Siempre había una guitarra en la casa y mi papá nos ponía a estudiar guitarra y a cantar canciones que él nos enseñaba. Pero yo digo, profesionalmente tenemos cerca de 10 años tocando juntos.
Sin igual, con arena de coral y una luna que al brillar ilumina mi andar. Un lugar para soñar y volverse a enamorar, como la primera vez que entregué mi corazón.
Orcas Island es una canción que sale del corazón. Hace 3 años tuvimos la oportunidad de visitar esta isla en Washington llamada Orcas Island. Nos sentimos tan motivados e inspirados de este lugar que decidimos escribir una canción.
Orcas Island, paraíso de mi corazón. Orcas Island, un pedacito de mi alma.
El disco que grabamos Los Bambinos es el primer disco que grabamos totalmente original. 13 canciones totalmente compuestas por nosotros, y pues es algo que nunca antes habíamos hecho. Habíamos trabajado con covers, con música tradicional mexicana, con música internacional. De hecho, habíamos presentado algunos shows, pero en esta ocasión nos pusimos a trabajar en un disco original, por fin. La canción que más me gusta en lo personal se llama Mundo Ideal, y esta es la número 4 de nuestro disco. Que lo escuchen, que nos vean en Facebook, que nos vean en YouTube, que nos sigan por Twitter, por todos los medios sociales, y que estén en contacto con nosotros, y cuando vengan a Puerto Vallarta pues reciban un caluroso bienvenida de parte de los Bambinos.
Esto no puede ser solo una ilusión o una nube pasajera. Una aventura no te lleva más allá a tocar una estrella. Hey, 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 ideal. Hey, 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 ideal. Hey, 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 ideal. Hey, 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 ideal. Luna llena sobre el lago, noche de estrellas, vino tinto y nuestra canción.
Hemos tenido diferentes influencias, voy a decir maestros canadienses, de Estados Unidos y de diferentes áreas dedicadas al turismo, en cuestiones de música, y nos han influenciado y nos han de alguna manera dicho qué tipo de música es la que con la que podemos tener una buena aceptación de la gente en cuanto a repertorio. Nosotros lo hemos catalogado como fusión latino rock.
Al compás de una canción, bebo mi melancolía.
Nuestro sueño es, primero que nada, mantenernos juntos como hasta ahora. y por supuesto trascender musicalmente, llevar un mensaje de amor y paz a todas las personas que nos puedan escuchar y que nos escuchen.
Cruzaremos cielos, tierras y mar, tomados de la mano y disfrutar lo que la vida nos da. La vida es un regalo y aquí sentados en la orilla del mar con mi guitarra y esta canción. Tonight I give you all tonight. Looking into the stars, I want to tell you something. If you believe in all the things I said, or the most it's real, please let me give you all I have to you.
All right, so we're here with the Bambinos and their official #1 fan. What's your name?
Francine.
Francine. Let me ask you a question. People that are coming down to Vallarta in the next couple of months, what makes this group so special that they have to come and see them?
They're genial, I don't know how to say that.
They're genuine.
Genuine and professional and very talented. And I hope everybody will buy their new album because it's the best. The
Their
best
new,
in
and what's the name of their new album?
Mundo Ideal.
How long have you been their #1 fan?
8 años.
8 años. ¿Y dónde la conocieron?
Pues la conocimos aquí en Puerto Vallarta. Sí.
Y se hizo the #1 fan de los Bambinos.
O sea, sí, en la calle estaba en un restaurante tocando y pues desde el principio siempre fue única. Tú sabes, ella es única, la manera en que habla, la manera en que se expresa, todo es única y es muy especial para nosotros. Queremos mucho a Francesca.
Oh, see that? So they met here in Vallarta, in the streets of Vallarta, 8 years ago, and she's been their promoter #1 fan for the past 8 years. So let me ask you a really quick question. What can people expect when they come and see Los Bambinos here in Vallarta?
The best show in town.
The best show in town.
And I hope they will come to Canada one day. I will send their CD to people I know, and I hope they will make them come to Canada to sing for us there.
Thank
I
you
hope
so
so.
much, Francesca, for being such a loyal fan and being such a great ambassador for Los Bambinos.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you.
Ventura.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to follow them on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and bambinosmusic.com. Come on, let's go.
Cherry, cherry baby, cherry, cherry baby, cherry, cherry baby, cherry baby, cherry. Can you come out tonight? Come out tonight. Cherry baby, cherry baby, cherry. Can you come
I thought it was excellent because they sing fabulous harmonies.
Los Bambinos, when they were playing down here on the Pacific Grill on the street.
Search this band out, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, do a following.
Best nightclub we've been in because they've been here.
I'm gonna make
I
you
tell everybody to come. Oh my God, all my friends, everybody.
cherry baby, cherry.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah,
you got to be here. Like, get here now.
How did you enjoy the show? Come on, tell me really quick.
It was fantastic.
The Bambinos are so good. We've been hearing about them for a couple of years now, and I said to my wife, Patty, we've got to see these guys.
For the people that are coming down in the next couple of months, would you recommend that they come and watch the show?
Definitely, definitely.
What do you think?
Yeah.
If you're a Beatles fan, you'd love the show. You'd love the show.
Or the Beatles, or Frankie Valli, or the Beach Boys.
They do all the good covers, huh?
They do it all. Then
Ventura. Oh, so you know who I am?
I watch your videos, you did our homework, and I ran into you. Unbelievable.
She was just 17, you know what I mean, and the way she looked was way beyond compare.
What do you guys think of the Bambinos tonight?
We love the Bambinos. That's
On
why.
the street singing, but we know of them.
Oh, so you're one of the ones who actually caught them on the streets before they cut their first album, huh?
We paid them to sing us a song last year.
Really?
We were short of money and they did a half a song for us.
So how are you enjoying the show?
Oh, love it. They're great.
Yeah?
Yep. Good eye candy.
Don't, relax.
It's the best show I've watched, the Bambinos, all my life. I've seen them since they were this hot.
They're a lot of fun. They got a lot of energy and good musical skills.
They've grown a lot in the past years.
Yes, they have, and I've tipped a few with them. And my daughter loves them, and everybody loves them.
They're pretty cute.
Cute. Ah. Watch out.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better.
Oh, my friends, mi amigos, Bambinos.
They're your friend you have there.
We've got
CDs.
these. We're going to take these back to talk to some music people back in Minneapolis and try to book them back into Minneapolis.
Yes, absolutely. I've known these boys for probably 10 years.
Since they've been on the beach, huh?
Yes, and it's one of the best shows in town, so I highly recommend it.
There's one Mexican and one...
All the covers?
Yep.
Oh, that's so cool. You know what? These guys are traveling. I think they went to Seattle.
Yes, they did.
So where's the next?
I've not been to Minnesota, though, yet, and I think that Minnesota would be a great place for them in the summer.
We have a new ambassador from Minnesota. The new man.
Lori and I will try to book them in there.
We love the Bambinos, and we have watched them grow up.
Yeah, I heard that.
I think Giorgio was like maybe, I don't know, 11 or 12 when we first saw him singing on the street. The boys are singing on the street. So we come every year. This is my second time to see them this year, and I'll be back at least once or twice before we go home.
Hello amigos. Hi. We want to thank all our friends and family for all the support through the years. Special thanks to Robin Nipper. Thank you, Robin. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Anytime we have you in our hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And we want to thanks to Polly Vicars. You have been with us since we were just little kids. Thank you. And also we want to thanks Bob Elise.
Incredible people. Thank you so much for all the support and love and hospitality. Thank you very much, and we'll say hi to Orca Sana.
Hey.
And also we want to thank Francesca, who has always been in every single show. Thank you very much, we love you, and thank you.
Yeah, and thank you all the people who believe in us. Thank you everyone.
El rímel se le ha corrido, por tanto yo